Most people think starting an online store means monthly fees, paid platforms, and risk from day one. But what if I told you you can launch a real online store today with zero upfront cost and zero monthly fees? No credit card, no trial traps, no guru funnel. Let me show you exactly how. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about building online income the smart way, especially if you're starting with limited money. I've built multiple profitable online stores over time, and even now, if I had to start from scratch tomorrow, I'd still begin with a free setup like this. Not because I'm cheap, because I'm practical. Here's something most YouTube videos won't tell you. A lot of use Shopify or fail advice is sponsored content, and many dropshipping videos exist only to sell you a course or mentorship. I'm not selling you anything here. No paid program, no affiliate push. This is about lowering risk, especially for beginners who don't even know yet if online business is for them. This method works whether you want to sell dropshipping products, handmade or physical items, print-on-demand products, or even a single product store. And yes, it works worldwide. You can go from zero to live store in under 10 minutes. Once you open the platform, create a free account using your email. I recommend using a separate email just for your store. Keeps things clean later. Choose your region or skip if you want. No payment details required. Once inside, you'll see a setup checklist. This helps beginners stay focused instead of overwhelmed. When you open the products section, remove any demo products. Start fresh. If you don't own inventory yet, that's fine. For dropshipping, you can use supplier images. This is standard practice. Choose a clean main image. Upload multiple images to look professional. Now, here's the important part. Don't copy supplier titles word for word. Instead, rewrite product names clearly, like ultrasonic air diffuser for home relaxation. Clean, simple, trustworthy. Set your product price based on product cost, shipping, and your margin. For shipping, fixed rate shipping keeps things simple. Many stores succeed without free shipping, so don't stress. You can always adjust this later. Enable trusted payment options like PayPal, Stripe. These matter because customers trust them and checkout conversion is higher. If setup feels confusing, payment platforms have strong support teams. Use them. You'll receive a free domain automatically. And here's the truth. Customers don't buy because of your domain name. They buy because of how you market. I've seen stores with free domains outperform expensive custom sites. Design-wise, choose a theme that matches your product niche. Keep it clean, don't over-design. Simple stores convert better. Add a short Why Choose Us section, customer testimonials, even starter ones, and contact email. No need for phone. You can hide sections you don't want. Trust greater than fancy design. And just like that, you've built a functional online store in minutes. You can share product links directly, improve design later, and scale only after you see results. This is testing smart, not gambling money. If this helped you, hit the like button. It really helps push this video to people who need it. Subscribe if you want more real, beginner-friendly online business guides. No hype, no pressure. And one last thing. Be careful of fake accounts pretending to be me in comments or DMs. I will never message you first or ask for money. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.